Welcome back to another video. This was just something I was thinking about. Like, you can obviously project images, and it kind of like seems like if you just, and the whole rule with it sort of going bigger, it will eventually go into itself, right? If you do that. This is like an effect I noticed before when it goes behind the wall. Because what was the wall at? Yeah, right. It's an interesting thing you could try. I think spotlights in general are the best ones. Like, just the intensity is fine. More narrow cone angles seem to work a little bit better, I think. And then the lower on the cone feather as well. I mean, so that's one approach you could take. It's not a bad effect, actually. I think increasing the cone angle is kind of cool.